Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see all of you back again. I tell you what, I woke up this morning, come down to check my pork butt that I had in the fridge thawing out. It was still partially frozen, so I rushed off to the store, and tonight we're doing pork loin, guys. I don't think it's been that long since I did one for you. Got some pork loin in there in the kitchen. We're getting ready to prep up and get her on the Weber kettle here and bring you dinner. Pork loin is what's for dinner tonight, guys. Let's get going. Alright guys, I've trimmed a little bit. I'm gonna cut that little piece off there though. I've trimmed some of this a little. Whatever fat cap is on there still, I'm just gonna leave it. Right, I'm gonna come in here with just some SPG with butter from Grillaholics. This goes, you know, I say that, I don't even know if I've ever used that on a pork loin. Could be mistaken. But I believe it's gonna be awesome. No binder, I don't think I need it. Get this on all sides, including the ends. And that's all we're gonna use. It's gonna be great. Now this charcoal comes up, we'll get her dumped and get this bad boy on. I believe we are there. Typical 2-zone fire. Get this thing heated. As I usually put a sear on these to start with, but I'm not this time. I'm gonna come over here indirect. We're gonna bring this up closer to temp. It's gonna be a pretty fast cook. I'm running over 400 degrees. I hope it cools down some. But we're gonna let this go indirect for a little bit, and I'm gonna add just a couple pieces of cherry wood just to see if we can get a little smoke on this thing. Guys, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm just gonna turn this over just for some even cooking. Let her go for about another 10-15 minutes and we'll check to see where we are. Come in here and give this thing another flip, and I'm just gonna, for kicks and grins, it's starting to firm up a little. I'm gonna check some temperatures to see how close we are. We're gonna hit about 100 degrees. We got about, I want to take this to about 140, 145 is my goal temp. A little higher there on that end. So just a little bit further, then I'm going to come over here and get some sear on it. And because I can, I'm going to throw just a couple more pieces of wood on there. Check back here in just a bit. Alright guys, while you were not looking, I did turn this around 180 degrees just to get this fatter end down here over a little bit. I think it's a little bit hotter on this side. But we've been on about 45 minutes total, and I'm just going to check some temps here. That's 125, 130. I'm going to go ahead and start searing this off. A little bit over down here, 144. But I'm going to go ahead and get this seared. And I'm just going to come on over here, direct heat, for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, and then see where we are. Get that fire out. Alright, let's give this big old beast a flip here. Oh yeah. Just a few more minutes. Alright everybody, it's been another 4 minutes. Yeah, let's say we're looking pretty good there. I want to get some temps here. We are definitely there. Guys, let me get this off of here. We'll go inside, let this rest a few minutes, and get her cut up. Alright guys, she sure does look good. I'm gonna go ahead and just get some slices off and see where we are. It looks to be very juicy. You know, there's a slight smoke ring there. Get her more towards the middle. Kind of feel like I overcooked it a little bit. But I think she's still good and juicy. Look at that. Still some juices there. Looking good. Let's get a bite of that. There's definitely a little bit of a smoke ring, not much. But I really wasn't going for a smoke ring, to be quite honest. So let me get my family fed. We'll come back and we'll do a final taste test on this. It is a warm one out there, guys. Still very juicy. Tear's really good. It's had a little bit of a smoke ring, not too much, but it's alright. This was a faster, little hotter and faster cook. Great flavor, the seasoning's good. I did overcook this just slightly. Could be a little bit more tender. I think the flavor's there. Everyone agree?
Yes.
Alright. It does taste good. I'm gonna give it that. Guys, thank you so much. Wash this down. Thank you so much. This was, like I said earlier, this was supposed to be a pork butt, slow and slow. Some dummy didn't pull it out of the freezer early enough. So you might get a crock pot pork butt video real soon. So we'll see about that. Guys, thank you as always. I tell you what, hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Been a little while since Ethan chimed in.
Bye.